36. Diagnosis: prolonged exposure to loud noises. A 56-year-old previously healthy man comes to the office due to decreased hearing in both ears. He reports difficulty understanding conversations in crowded rooms. His wife adds that they often argue about the volume of the television set. The patient cannot remember precisely when he first noticed hearing loss but says it has been present at least 6 months and is getting worse. For the past 12 years, he has worked in a factory where he has to shout to communicate with coworkers and has seldom worn hearing protection. An audiogram is obtained as shown in the image below. Which of the following is most likely abnormal in this patient? Answer: organ of Corti.